Oh.
Yeah.
You all right? You need some water? So be careful with the roast pepper.
Yeah.
It could have problems.
Right, so now we can take off
Okay.
and transfer to the bowl. I'm surprised you not season though.
I told you I am not breathing deeply.
There's
And you are
something up there.
also... No, I have no nose plug. So you're also right. Let me know if you need a minute, you know, my friend.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Chef, he needs a minute. My friends, Chef Jeremy and I are in the yard today for some roast pepper. So let's get cooking. Chef, it is too hot. It is too hot already. Why
Yeah.
am I outside for this?
Right, so today I'm going to show you how I do
Yeah.
roast pepper.
Okay.
Right? I like to put 2 types of pepper, scorpion, habanero, some
Ooh.
tomatoes,
Ooh.
and onions. We're going to roast it first.
Okay.
And then we're going to chunk it.
All right. So
Right.
I guess you need these guys over here.
Yep. I'm going to put it on the grill there first.
Directly
Like
over.
on.
Okay. Okay.
We're using our chula to roast the peppers.
Got it. So guys, if you all have a chulha, this is the time to break it out, dust
Yep.
it off, get it going.
Got it done.
Sure.
Right.
And so how
Right.
long does it roast on your
Right, so we
side?
leave it for it to sort of get charred on the outside.
Right.
Right, you don't want to leave it too long for it to sort of melty in the grills. But we leave it to sort of, that's so it's charred on the outside. And then we take it off.
Okay, no problem.
Right?
So these are all the ingredients here because I seen somebody in the corner.
Right. Well, I
Who
forgot to
making
say,
this roast pepper? Me or you?
I'm a nice apprentice today.
Don't forget your onion, my friends. All right, so we're gonna let this go and then we'll rotate.
And then rotate, yes.
Got it.
So we take it off.
Yeah.
Then we use our steel pot, put it back on the chula, let it heat up, and then we're going to chunky everything.
Okay, so we'll check back when we're all roasted.
All right, so now that you're seeing the char on it, the tomatoes, the peppers, and the onion,
Right?
you want to take them off.
Okay.
You want to take them off?
I mean, I can assist you. Ooh. All right. So all these burny bits, we leaving them on?
We're leaving them on. That's part of
Okay.
the flavor of the roast pepper.
Okay. Got it, got it. And if I don't have a chulha, what else can I use? Because I know some of our friends at home would not have access to one.
Well, you could either roast it on your stove top,
Right?
right? Or you're using a coal pot.
And
Either way,
directly on the stove top?
directly on the stove top.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it.
If you have a little mesh kind of wire to put on the stove
Yeah,
top,
yeah, like
that
a wire
could,
rack.
like a wire rack. That could work fine,
Okay,
and a coal pot could work just as fine.
okay. So where we at now?
Right, so now we're gonna do the chunky.
Okay. So you need to head back over there.
Yes.
After you, sir. After you.
Right, we're gonna let the iron pot heat up. Right, obviously you can't do chunky in no other pot but your home, but your iron pot.
Must do it.
You know, so we add our
For our friends who are unfamiliar with the term chunky, chef.
right. Chunky is almost the same as saute. It's just our local twang to say in our language. We call
Yeah.
it chunky. And it's the same as saute. You take the ingredients, you put them in oil,
Hot oil.
and you bring the flavors out through the heaters of the oil.
Okay, so we're just waiting for this to heat up
To
a
heat
little
up,
bit.
yeah.
All right. So we hot enough yet?
Yeah, I
This
think
is a
I
kind
think
of
so.
stretching hot.
Yeah, I think we hot enough. So we're
Okay.
gonna add our mustard oil. By the time you could give our garlic a light crush.
Okay,
on our
sure.
mortar and pestle.
Sure. There's a lot of garlic in here, my friend. You ain't fine.
That's part of all the flavoring for the
God, I gotta
sauce.
put it down,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.
I need to get my hands in here. There we go, there we go.
Yeah, anything, man.
Yeah. How you feel about this light crush?
Yeah,
We looking good?
Yeah, we can add that now.
We looking good. All right.
You go ahead.
Thank you. All in.
Right, so we allow the oil to heat up,
Okay.
and for the garlic to start to turn brown,
Okay.
similar to what we have it here.
Right.
Right, but this is bringing out the flavor in the garlic before we add our peppers and all of our other ingredients.
All right.
Right, so now that our garlic has taken a little color,
Right.
right, we want to add
All the ingredients. that
ingredients,
we
right.
had on there before.
what we had on there before. So you just want to cut the tomatoes in half
Okay. Sure.
and cut the onion in half
I'm
for
gonna
me.
use a little
That would be
tongue.
helpful. Thank you.
You're welcome. I helping you. I blessing your life.
Nice,
Because
I
you
like
blessing me with this roast pepper.
Right, and now I take that, put it in there.
So we just dropping everything in?
Yep.
All right, no problem. I don't want to get myself burnt out here.
No.
Now with this
Nice.
roast pepper, what are you putting? What are you using this for?
So you can use it with anything.
So it's just like regular pepper sauce?
Yeah, typically you hear it with doubles.
Okay.
You know, you hear doubles man say roast pepper or normal.
Yeah.
You know, so you can use it with anything.
So this is an elevated pepper sauce, you'll say?
Yes, I elevate it.
I mean, come on.
For use of a better word.
Got it.
Nice.
Thank you. And that's the last one here.
Right, so you one of the things you want to be careful of doing this indoors, you know, for those who may do it in their kitchen home,
Yeah?
you kind of don't want to get the smoke of the roast pepper.
Right.
You inhale it because it'll have you coughing over and over and
Okay.
over. So it's kind of better to have it to do outside.
Right.
If you have no choice and to do it indoors, well
Yeah.
then you kind of
Just be wary of
beware
it.
of beware of the pepper smoke. It makes you cough a lot.
Don't breathe too deep, guys.
Yeah,
don't breathe too deep.
Right, we let it cook down. And then you don't have to blend it or anything. This is something that you just cook.
Okay.
Mash it with your spoon.
Right, so it's a little chunky in
texture.
texture.
Yeah, a little chunky in texture.
Okay.
And if you want, you can blend it. But I typically don't blend it because I prefer it a little chunky.
Nah, we like it chunky.
You know?
Chunky is good.
But you can blend it if you want.
Okay. So
Kinda
it just
break
has
up
to
the
soften
onion.
up a little
Just
more.
to soften up a little more.
Got it.
And then we take off the heat
Right.
and add all our other ingredients.
Sounds good.
Right. So now you're ready to just take the spoon and kind of mash it up.
Okay.
Burst all the peppers.
And you can see the texture has changed.
Yeah.
Now it's soft and easier to work with.
Careful with your nose.
Yeah, I am not breathing deeply at all. Oh,
Yeah.
you all right? You need some water? So be careful with the roast pepper.
Yeah.
It could have problems.
Right, so now we can take off
Okay.
and transfer to the bowl. I'm surprised you're not seasoned though.
I told you I am not breathing deeply.
There's
And you are
something up
also,
there.
no, I have no nose plug. So you're also right now. Let me know if you need a minute, you know, my friend.
Yeah.
Excuse me, chef, you need a minute.
So now we're going to take it off.
All right.
Careful not to breathe in too much.
Yes. We're not inhaling now.
We're going to add our Chadon Beni. Amchar.
All right.
Lime juice.
This is hot. The atmosphere is hot, guys.
Salt.
It's like
And some more black pepper.
I'm tasting the pepper without even tasting the pepper. Yeah. This one will do it here. All right, and we just mix it all together.
So it's your choice to blend it up or leave it chunky. I prefer it chunky.
All right, so this is it.
Yep.
This is the goodness.
Yes. This is the peppery goodness.
This is the peppery goodness. You are sure that this is a hot pepper. Caution when you're eating it. Take a little thing at a time. So we just gonna put that in our little bowl and call that a day.
And call it a day. Whew. Thank you for sharing this moment with me.
Thank you. Thanks to our noses for holding up. This is not a recipe that we will be tasting by itself. We will wait till we make some lunch.
Right.
And
And then,
try this later.
Right,
You know, sip
so-
some water and try it later.
Again, if you wish, this is just my preference to have it chunky.
Yeah.
But if you wish, you can add a little more oil.
Yeah.
And blend it.
Yeah.
Or leave it chunky like this.
And in terms of refrigerating and keeping it good,
Well, it has to go in the fridge, yes.
for how long would it last, do you think?
It could last for a couple months
Okay,
in the
cool.
fridge. You
No
know?
problem. So guys, of course, if you try this delicious and spicy roast pepper, you must let us know in the comments. Let us know for sure.
Yes.
Let
Let
us know
us sneeze
also
too.
if your noses hold up and your tongues make it through. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.